And so we're back in the world of service marketing. And this topic, today we learned the topic about Servicescape, how to visualize the service quality and value. So in the following about 10 minutes, and I'm going to explain the concept of Servicescape, what is Servicescape, and how to articulate the dimensions of Servicescape and how to establish one in the service organizations, and how to analyze the critical factors in establishing the successful Servicescape for your branding purposes. And also connected the Servicescapes with branding strategies and the promotions for service organizations.
Imagine walking into a cafe, the rich aroma of coffee, the gentle murmur of conversations, and a well-lit ambiance that feels inviting. This is the magic of Servicescape.
Well, in short form, the Servicescape is the environment where the service is assembled and the seller-customer interactions occur. It's combined with the tangible elements that facilitate service performance. Typical dimensions in the Servicescape framework include ambience, temperature, lighting, furnishings, color, scent, and music. Well, Servicescape is more than just a location. It's an environment where service unfolds and where tangible elements aid in delivering that service. Thinking of it as a theater, with every business setting its own stage.
From the ambiance, to the scent, to the music that plays in the background, every tiny detail shapes our experiences. Broadly speaking, Servicescape consists of three primary dimensions. Spatial layout and functionality refer to the arrangement and utility of space. For instance, consider the intentional design of an IKEA store, guiding customers through every section. Signs, symbols, and artifacts facilitate communication. They guide, inform, and even reassure customers, enhancing the overall service experience. Ambience, the final dimension, is all about immersing the senses. The sights, sounds, and smells that form an integral part of our experience.
Well, the importance in Servicescape is that in the world of services where intangibility reigns, the tangible environment or the Servicescape plays a pivotal role in shaping its perceptions and experiences.
Service environments can range from being lean, like self-service kiosks, to elaborate, as seen in a bustling restaurant where interaction is key.
In essence, Servicescape is the silent orchestrator of unforgettable customer experiences. It's where service quality, value, and the memories converge.
Now, the question arises: how do businesses craft these experiences? Four main approaches are prevalent. First is direct observation. Here, insights are drawn from watching real-time interactions in the business setting. The environment survey approach collects feedback directly from customers and employees, ensuring voices are heard and improvements are made. Photographic blueprint captures the consumer's perspective visually, spotlighting moments of truth in their journey. Finally, experiments. Trying new things, testing innovations, and measuring reactions. It's all about evolving and adapting.
Well, in terms of promoting brands through Servicescapes, when you step into a service establishment, the environment tells a story that connects with your emotions and decides your level of satisfaction. And in this lies the power of Servicescapes in promoting brands. Research has shown that when public information is scarce, consumers tend to other cues. The decor, the layout, the aesthetics, these become signals, setting expectations even before a word is spoken.
Think of it: the grandeur of the Ritz-Carlton, the homeliness of a quaint cafe, or the energetic vibe of a bustling fast food chain. They all project a brand image, echoing their promises. When you feel good in a space, when it resonates with your expectations, it leads to satisfaction. And satisfaction? It's the golden key to brand loyalty, repeat visits, and most importantly, word-of-mouth marketing. For instance, in hotels, what constitutes this environment? The plushness of the bed, the range of amenities, the attentiveness of the staff, even the scent in the lobby. Details matter. Enhancing Servicescapes isn't just about tangible elements. The melodies that gently play in the background, the strategic lighting, a signature scent, or even a chosen decor theme can shape impressions. In a world with ever-increasing options, how does one hotel, or any service establishment for that matter, stand out? Kloosterman put it aptly in 2017. It's the unique blend of tangible and intangible elements, the service dance that differentiates one brand from another. Consider this, a serene, tranquil hotel lobby versus an upbeat, colorful one. Each space shapes behavior. Take the Ritz-Carlton, an epitome of luxury. Every element, from the greetings to the room service, projects a promise of unparalleled luxury. When the environment, the Servicescape, strikes a chord, it doesn't just end with the visit. Customers take their experiences online, sharing, reviewing, recommending. They become brand ambassadors.
Okay, so today we learned what is Servicescape and the key dimensions of a Servicescape and how to establish it in service organizations and how to connect the Servicescape with the branding strategies. Hope you learned something and let me know your thoughts. And next time we're going to another aspect of service marketing about how to promote the customer engagement in the online environment. Okay, so see you next time.